What does it really take to have an accountability partner? An accountability partner is someone who cares about you and loves you and just appreciates and applauds everything you do, right? Totally wrong. No, 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 no. Well, what then is accountability and what does it look like? Hello, I'm Dr. David Hawkins. I'm director of the Marriage Recovery Center and the Emotional Abuse Institute. And I'm often told by someone, oh yeah, I've got an accountability partner. Absolutely, I'm being held accountable. And I listen to it and I go, that's not accountability. That is not accountability. That's a great friendship. That's a great supportive individual. It's not accountability. Well, what then is accountability? All right, you're going to want to push subscribe here to our channel, and you're going to want to share this with others because I want to share with you what I think accountability looks like. And it's an important aspect of any kind of recovery. Once again, it's an important aspect of any kind of recovery. So it's really critical that you get this. Whoever is wanting to have accountability, who really wants their feet held to the fire, they want to grow, they want to change, and they want to be held accountable. What does that look like? 4 points. 4 points. Again, click subscribe, share this with others. Number one, your accountability partner is someone who is carefully chosen. Carefully chosen for what? How? What are you looking for? Well, of course, you're looking for someone who's ahead of you on the path. They have a strength of character. They've done recovery work. They've done counseling work. They have great integrity. And you and your mate hold this person in high regard. Is there anybody out there perfect? Of course, there is not. But you want someone who has strength of character. They're willing to ask tough questions. They're willing to be unfriendly and uncaring at times. Again, if you want a friend, if you want a buddy, if you want a partner, get that. But don't call it accountability. Our 4 points. Number one, your accountability partner is someone carefully chosen. They're carefully chosen because they have strength of character. They have integrity. They've done recovery work. They've done counseling work. You hold them in high regard. Number two, they are informed. They're informed. They know what they're looking out for. If it's a sexual addiction, they know how to ask questions about pornography and acting out and what you're doing with your time. If it has to do with drug addiction, alcohol addiction, whatever the issue is, they know what the issues are. They know what your vulnerabilities are. And they know how to ask really, really difficult questions. In fact, you should have a list of 10 questions that you and your accountability partner agree upon. What'd you do with your time this week? Were you deceptive in any way this week? Have you come close to slipping in any way this week? What was the closest slip you had? And any number of additional questions that you agree upon together. And you're not limited to those questions. But this person, they are informed, they are involved, they know about your vulnerability and their vulnerabilities, and they're willing to ask very, very difficult questions. And again, remember, this person isn't a buddy. They're not a pal. No, this person's got a job to do. Their role is as an accountability partner, and they need to do their role well. Number three. So number one is they're carefully chosen. Number two, they are very involved and informed. Number three, they remain involved and informed. This isn't a person that you check in with once a month. Goodness sakes, come on. This is a person who you're inviting to peer into your life, to peer over your shoulders. They're watching and they're looking. They've got your back. Once more, they've got your back. You want them to have your back. You want to be open kimono because you don't want to stray. You don't want to drift. You don't want to slip. You don't want to have a relapse. So you want this person to be involved, informed, concerned, critical, doubting. You better believe they're going to doubt you. Really? Did you tell the truth this week? Really? Did you slip in any way? Really? Did you come close to slipping in any way? And again, if you don't want an accountability partner, don't get one. For goodness sakes, don't get one. But if you're going to get one and you're going to call them an accountability partner, then they're carefully chosen, they're informed and involved. Number 3, they remain informed and involved. And number 4, tough stuff, they confront you about any slips, any weaknesses, anything they see. They confront you. They hold you accountable. That's what accountability is, by the way. There's consequences involved in their confrontation. They voice displeasure with you. They voice concern. And you hear the concern, you receive the concern, and you're willing to be dialed up. So the last one, they confront with consequences, and that equals real accountability. All right, again, in summary, don't call friendship accountability. Don't call support accountability. It's not accountability. If it's going to be accountable, it's going to have those 4 points. They're carefully chosen. They are informed and involved. Number 3, they remain informed and involved. They're looking over your shoulders, and they're very actively involved in your life. This is an invaluable person to you. And number 4, they are willing to confront with compassion. All right. I hope this has been helpful to you. And if so, click that subscribe button, share it with others. And we've got services available if you would like to learn more about accountability and how we can be helpful to you. Click on the link below. All right. Take care. And as always, God bless.